everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Srivashni and you're watching Stress Management by Mr. Venkat Raju Sir from Dubai. As we discussed in our last session, today's topic is going to be on enjoyment-centered personality.
Yeah, I understand. Life has 8 stages and people are of 5 different categories. We have already discussed about the money-centered personalities, family-centered personalities, fame-centered personalities. Now it's about enjoyment-centered personalities. Sir, can you explain us about enjoyment-centered personalities and how to deal with them?
Hi Sri, how are you? Today's topic is enjoyment centered. After all 4 topics, we are talking about enjoyment centered people. Enjoyment centered personalities are interested in enjoying every moment and everything in life. Due to their genes and opportunities, some people become enjoyment centered. Their thoughts are always enjoyable. They like being involved enjoyment.
How do they become enjoyment centered?
If you take an example, we see some families are rich enough financially. The rich parents and rich kids, they have more opportunities for enjoyment since no financial targets. They enjoy every moment, right from driving, watching nature, listening to music, working, enjoy at work because of their knowledge about their work.
What happens to biochemical activity in their body?
They maintain happy moments by balancing serotonin, endorphins, and life balancing. That is how they live. When people are happy, their glands will secrete serotonin, endorphins, and there is a chance to prolong middle age and reduce old age. Prolonged healthy and active middle age, and age is just number when they are energetic, active and productive. They are equals to with the age group of 25 years.
Is it like adrenaline is released when we see a tiger and save life?
Sri, yes, very true. Our brain releases many of biochemicals as per the situation and highly precise doses by our brain. The doses cannot be calculated.
Then, how other people can be enjoyment centered?
The living environment makes a difference. Some people get opportunities to become enjoyment centered. Not everyone. Sri, I was not rich kid, but I was enjoying my life throughout, right from childhood to till today, because I was surrounded by people who are lovely nature. But I got the opportunities to live with people who are rich in loving nature, thanks to them and their entire family and friends who gave me a real life. I was enjoying Walkman for music in 1980s. It was a great pleasure with high fidelity headphones, listening under the moonlight on the terrace of a penthouse and going to sleep. When you take driving, I was driving right from small scooters to Harley Davidson bikes. I have gone through all bikes. When it comes to the cars, a common car and a German car bench and a French convertible car and Japanese Toyota cars and SUVs I have gone through. When it comes to computers, a kind-hearted man, Professor Kakal Subbarao, he gifted me a computer to play with it when it was very rare in the market. With that, I made many kinds of reports for a cardiology department. Designing, development and implementation was done by me. Also, I used first generation laptops in those days. I was in the first group of enjoying all types of electronic gadgets including SLR cameras. Sri, it is a great feeling that I was operating all major cardiac equipment for treating and saving cardiac patients, and working with a great teams of cardiologists, doctors, technicians and nursing staff. It was a really pleasure. I was working with all of them. Traveling to my places, many places in India and abroad, includes USA, UK, Istanbul and UAE. I was thinking why people gave me such kinds of opportunities. It was my attitude, loving nature towards any human without any relations. Once again, hats off to every individual who brought me up my life. I have some friends. They are amazing. They take care of me with lovely nature from dawn to dusk. Sri, living in stress-free life. I never talk about money in daily life. I always pay monthly to my regular dealings, like my grocery shop, cafeteria in the working place, as well as nearby my house. I pay in advance to them and have a stress-free life. As long as your lifestyle is stress-free, you will be enjoying your life, and that prolongs your middle age. Also, you will be young and energetic, reducing old age.
Wow, simply superb enjoyment center people. It is a great inspiration for the future generations to how to lead a best life with a good attitude and turn their opportunities for the best future. Please feel free to contact the given below WhatsApp number for future guidance for any generous donations. Sir, shall we discuss about the devotion centered personality?
Sri, let us continue this in next session.
I hope this is a great session with you, sir, about enjoyment centered people. And friends, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.